sini student rok fai sung tini sini travel welfare ni director malai na fakya so tini fai bang ke sini stipend scholarship problem ni bagi sung phale mani ke sung bigato 3 din dore 3 days dore sung oro tini file tamayo sini student of back in depriving za obonoti and sini director malai ke bosaw nor deprive tang di hinai kita main inke pro side horo kabang student total 23,000 above 24 something over high 24,000 something student tapsu jorate scholarship manya ko over hin saw
Terus rok pemenang ni macam mana?
ke borok saw within 1 month bising borok try khai nai hin saw tai ko try khai tong saw tai ke borok saw te kisa sini oro department hoite mane tribal welfare department hoite sini officer sing roha kam karon sini all lockdown ni karone sing daily rohor me yang ni tong kha abok saw fresh student jara scholarship ni 11,625 jona tapsu jorati borok aboniti pending lai tong kha ke daily wo borok tabuk jorati demand khai tongo direct ni ko 28 crore oba hai kai borok package sanction hoi tong ta ke tini take sa box gajar gramin bank ni jar problem ngi tongai ro gramin bank ni problem ngi tongai ro ke 750 borok report dikha 750 o borok tini chairman gramin bank ni chairman o letter already hokain sabo ke aron bisingo jara gramin bank ni problem tongai ro clarification ng thangan in sabo ke te kisha sabo website abo jo tori reason gramin bank wai sa
Jada sayang. One month bising mai kena rokok sedang kesawar deknya.
1 month bising mai ke sung amo decision klaine sung motor sung amo thangai mano ke te kisha sini joint director sini sir joint director sir s send ni bini phone number sung tui feke sung jotono no student ngori rona bo by final next week ni monday wo bo by contact id hin sawta ani bung ke sushant dekorma
Kono motha identify na student.
ha
Sini o jaga payment na student identify na kono motha hoite.
sung kuno organization hoite sung student only student hoite sung fai